Hi, Anna Maria. I'm here to show you how to do the things with Word that you would like to do. Here's your diagram, and the first thing you wanted to do was to move this triangle to the back, and if you can pull it down to see how big it is, you can see that it's right now in front of the ovals. So what we want to do is highlight it like it is now, double click it, and when you do that with your left mouse key, you'll get a toolbar that pops up here that's the formatting toolbar for shapes. And while it's highlighted like it is, you can see the little notches around it. You go here to send backwards, and we want to use the little drop down arrow next to where it says send backward and go to send to back. Send to back. When you do that, you see what happens is it takes the ovals and puts them in front of the triangle. And of course, if we wanted them forward, we could just do the opposite, where we could go bring forward and bring to front. But of course, we don't want that. We want it backwards. So I'm going to go back and do the same thing I did before. Put it backwards. Okay, the other thing that we wanted to do was to get this line to go all the way through the triangle, and we wanted to change it, the weight of it, and the look of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line, insert and you do that by inserting a shape, which is a line. We're going to pick a line, and we're going to draw it directly across that triangle. I could have taken the same line we had and done it the same way. Right now it's blue because that's the default color for this diagram. But what I'm going to do is while I've got it highlighted here, as you can see, it's got the notches there. I'm going to go to Shape Outline. First of all, I'm going to change it to black. Then I'm going to go to the weight of it, and I'm going to make it a little thicker. And then I'm going to go down to the dashes, and I'm going to choose a dash line. So it looks like this now. And of course I can move that where I want to. I can make it thicker or thinner, whichever I would like for that. Now it goes through. So here you had put in a text box, and we want to be able to take that border off from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, double click it, and then I'm going to go to Shape Outline, and I'm going to go to No Outline. And when I do that, if you click away from it, you'll see the text box is still there, but it does not have a line around it, so you can type into that if you would like to. Also, if you want this text box to be behind the shape, you could do that too. As long as the shape was clear and it didn't have a fill in it, then you would still be able to see your text through it. So in this case, if I want to bring it to the back, I would double click on it, get this again, and go to Send to Back. So that way, if we typed into the text box, oops, now we got to be sure that this oval, if we do that, is clear. So I've double clicked on that, and if I go here to Shape Fill, we want to make sure that it's no fill so that we could see our text box through it. Now, the only reason I would do that is in case we had more text that we wanted to type into it that wouldn't fit exactly. So we could do that. But that's not really necessary, and that may not be something that you need to do. Now, one thing that I like doing when I'm trying to use the same text box is I click on it, and then I go and I copy it. You see the little copy thing up here? You can do that, or you can use your keystrokes, which are Control Alt Delete. Excuse me, Control C. If you do that, Control C, that copies it. But a lot of times people just like to use this little copy tool. So it's highlighted. I'm going to go here to copy it, and now I'm going to go to paste, which is a little further. You can't see it, I don't think, but you can paste it in. And when you do that, then you can move this new one that we have to wherever you would like it to be. So I'm going to put it down here. And because it was a copy of the one that did not have a border on it, it's going to not have a border on it either. I'm moving it. I can move the little arrow keys. Once it's highlighted, I can move it around with the arrow keys to get it in just the right spot. I hope this video has been a little helpful to you, and that you'll be able to make those borderless text boxes, and moving things forward and backwards, and making your lines a little dotted or dashed and changing the weight of them. I hope this helps. Bye.